Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in VLC Media Player on your PC. Whether you prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, or you simply want your VLC player to look sleek and modern, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and download the specific version of VLC Media Player that supports the dark theme. Go to the official link to the latest dark theme installer. Once you've downloaded the file, run the installer. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, if you already have a regular version of VLC installed, don't worry, you don't need to uninstall it, just install the dark theme version on top of your existing installation. Click Yes when prompted, then Next, and finally, Finish. Once the installation is complete, open VLC and you'll notice the interface is now in dark mode, giving it a sleek dark background for your videos and menus. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to enable dark mode in VLC Media Player and enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.